Hi, I'm Christopher Gorham, and I'm inviting you to join me for the ultimate covert affairs experience to benefit Operation Mend, an organization that provides care and assistance to wounded warriors and their families. You need more convincing? All right, here are the top 10 reasons you should donate. 10. You get to watch us film new scenes. Just don't tell anyone or they'll have to kill you. And by they, I don't mean the CIA, I mean the TV execs. 9. Does someone keep stealing your food from the office fridge? Because I will teach you how to interrogate your coworkers and your boss. 8. The selfies we take on set will look so authentic, you might get your phone confiscated by actual CIA agents. 7. I'll teach you how to fake your own death. You can choose between van explosion, broken parachute, or food poisoning, and I'll take care of the rest. Trust me, it will come in handy. 6. You get to bring a guest, which means that person will owe you for life. I will teach you how to exploit that. 5. You know how Joan thinks I have this place wired? It's because I do. You're gonna love the footage of Annie from our last office holiday party. 4. Learn fun trivia. For instance, did you know the DPD office is an actual CIA office disguised as a fake TV show on USA called Covert Affairs? True story. Number 3, we'll listen to jazz. Maybe you can even have my favorite Charles Mingus album. What, are you serious? Okay, I'm sorry, I'm told it's limited edition. You can borrow the album. It's the best I can do. 2, you and me, we're going on a real mission. A lot of the cast and crew think I'm actually blind, so wait until they see us driving around shooting guns. It'll be great. And the number 1 reason to enter is that your donation helps Operation Mend provide care to wounded warriors across all 4 branches of the military. It is a great way to help real heroes by spending a day with the people who just play them on TV. So please, enter now for a chance to win by going to omaze.com/covertaffairs. That's OMAZE.com/covertaffairs for your chance to win.